Hello and welcome. My name is Muhammad Inal Dufri, and in today's video, I will be presenting competitive guide on how to construct and professional business email. In the modern professional landscape, email remains in a primary mode of communication. I will writing email not only conveys your message clearly but also reflects your personalism and attention to detail. Therefore, understanding its structure is imperative. Today, I will examine the essential components: the email address and subject line, greeting opening sentence, the body, the call to action, the closing solution, and finally, the acknowledgement. Let's begin. Oke, yang pertama adalah the email address and subject line. First, let you discuss the email address. This is the very first thing the recipients see before they even open your messages in excellent to use and professional email address, which ideally consists of your first and last name or outstanding computed format. You must avoid using nicknames, string of random number, or informal alias, and this case dismisses your credibility immediately. Moving on the subject line, and the subject line acts the heading of your email. It must be concise, spec, and accurately reflect the content of your message. And strong subject line allow the recipients to prioritize their inbox availability. For example, instead of writing and vague words like meeting, and more effective subject line would be meeting at event Q3 marketing strategy discussion and October 15. The provides immediate context and aggression. And 2. Greeting on opening sentence. Answer the email application with begin with the greeting or selecting the level of formality here. Depend on your relationship with the recipient and the corporate culture. For formal correspondence explicitly with some your context for the first time, use their Master Smiths or their MS Johnson. If the environment is slightly more relaxed, or you are addressing and group hello or good morning team in exhibit. Following the greeting of the opening sentence is the constructive to start with brief polite remark before transitioning to the main point. Verses of I hope this email fits you well, or I hope you are having a productive week. Specific tone. Immediately after this, you should state your reason for waiting early. I am waiting to query about the upcoming project deadlines, or I am reaching out to follow up on your present conversation. And 3. The content of the email, body and call to action. We now arrive the most critical part, the content of the email or the body. This selection contains the core message and the necessary detail. In this vital to be clear, concise, and organized, use short paragraph or bullet point to make the information listen to the digit. Avoid ambiguous language and answer all facts, dates, and figures are accurate. Within this body, you must include an specific call to action which is related to your reason for waiting. The recipient should never reach the end of your email and wonder what I'm supposed to do with this information. You must provide clear instructions. For instance, please review the acknowledgement budget report and provide your feedback by Friday 3 p.m. Or call you please confirm your availability for brief call next Tuesday. This directs the recipient next step and accrues efficient workflow. and 4. Selection and closing and attachment. As we conclude the email with formal selection or closing, the server and polishing signs of standard personal closing include selection, best regards, or kind regards. Followed by comma beneath this, you should include your full name, your job title, and your contact information, often format of personalized email signature. Finally, we must address me if used or sending external document spacing or UMX. You must spacing the body, your email, and simple press like please pin request document exist or I have attachment quarterly review for your references. Is switching most important habit to verify the file is quality attachment before you click the send button. And 5. Concluding. To summarize, writing a successful business email requires attention to detail across all its components, from utilizing in professional email address and crafting and clear subject line to expressing and bold tone, delivering concise message with a clear call to action, and singing of personally while remembering your achievement. By mastering these elements, you ensure that your personal communication is effective, respectful, and clear. Thank you for watching.